Thank you, Swami, for giving me this opportunity. So I think this experience is it happened just 3 days back. Most of you know I do Buddhist chanting. So ever since this pandemic is there, so we've been conducting regular prayers. 10 to 11, we chant for 1 hour for whosoever is suffering, and we have 5-6 of us. We get together. We have a Zoom session, so it goes on daily. But and we list down the name of people who are suffering. उनमें से कुछ critical, कुछ hospitalized, कुछ okay. So slowly and gradually, I was seeing that though we were chanting, but there was a lot of fear which was developing in our hearts, because कोई ठीक नहीं हो रहे, और ज़्यादा cases आ रहे हैं. मतलब ये known हमारे circle के list बढ़ती चली जा रही है. So that day, in the morning, I was just praying to Swami कि कैसे क्या believe करें, कैसे वो conviction आए कि हमारी prayers are actually reaching, or they are having their effect. So like that was just the intention, and I think that was the first day that we also did this Loka Samasta. And then रात को when I was just going off to sleep 11:30 के आसपास, तो आदत पड़ गई है just to browse through YouTube. And to tell you honestly, I was looking for आजकल बहुत hair fall हो रही है, तो secret of hair fall को treatment के कुछ videos चल रहे थे. वो secret से link होता एक video अपने आप से tap हो गया, and it was life's greatest secret. And Swami के ऊपर एक talk brother Arvind Balasubramaniam was giving, and because obviously it started, so I started listening to it. And he said that Swami once came and he said that next week I want to arrange a talk for only the students and the teachers, and I want to share one very big secret with all of you. So they all got very excited कि Swami कुछ secret बताने वाले हैं. And Swami उसकी ना hype create करते रहे, like every day कि अच्छा इस hall में कर लेंगे, अच्छा hostel से भी students को बुला लो, जो visiting faculty है उनको बुलाएं कि नहीं सिर्फ limited रखें. So people were feeling that they are the privileged group जिनको Swami उस दिन address करने वाले हैं. So lot of excitement was building up. And finally that day came and the discourse started, and Swami started with this normal discourse. So these after 10-15 minutes सबका interest धीरे-धीरे हो गया कि Swami ने इतना बोला, secret बोलेंगे, and अभी तो Swami कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे हैं. And Swami kept giving discourse, and they all ढीला होके बैठ गए. And in the middle of that, then Swami said कि so मैंने promise किया था मेरे को एक secret तुम लोगों से share करना. So they all again got alert कि Swami क्या secret बताने वाले हैं. So Swami says, I just want to tell you all that you're not animals. So everybody was, Swami, big deal. We know we are not animals. So he said, you're not animals, you are humans. And they said, big deal, Swami. And then Swami said, in fact, you're not even humans. You are divine. That hit me like anything. It immediately, and Arvind explained further that how Swami said that there is a diamond in you which you're not realizing. And he said, I had to create this hype because I've been saying this, but you are just not listening to it. You are just not believing in it. And I thought immediately, there were tears in my eyes. I thought I got my answer, that if all of us honestly believe that we have the divinity in us and each one of us has divine, then it cannot be that our intentions will not manifest. Whatever our intentions, they will surely manifest. If we are really praying for everybody to get healthy, everybody to be happy, be peaceful, it has to manifest. So I think the underlying statement was, the biggest thing was that he was just trying to say that believe in that divinity. So that was 3 days before. Next day again in the morning, I was really thankful for this. And while doing my just prayers, I was really thankful. But there is one small doubt which always, keeps cropping in me, because when we do Buddhist chanting, there's a lot of thing we take that, my prayers, my this thing. So, I was always in this doubt ki Swami, complete faith kya? I want to understand complete faith. Is it totally surrendering, accepting whatever is coming? or like, having that self-confidence that I make a difference. My actions make a difference. And, as I was just sharing that video is that 1 hour long video, and I had just gone through this initial 10 minutes and with tears and all, I slept. So I closed that video. So then day before, after the thing, I just thought that let me hear that again. Maybe there is something more for me to hear. Believe all of you, please listen to that. Exactly the same question was the next thing that Swami was saying, that, he narrated that once he was addressing some students, and the question came that, what is the difference between faith and self-confidence? And then he has narrated the complete answer. He said there is no difference between faith and self-confidence. And such a small, simple example Swami explained. He said, faith is believing in that consciousness. And self-confidence is believing in that divinity which is within you. He said, self-confidence is, गुब्बारे में जो हवा है वो सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है, तुम वो गुब्बारा हो, उसमें वो हवा भरी हुई है, और गुब्बारे के बाहर जो हवा है वो कॉन्शियसनेस है. सो हवा सेम है. So he's saying there is no difference between having faith and having self-confidence. They are both equally important. None of them can survive without the other. So I think it's so clearly reiterated, and immediately I agreed to Chetna that, yeah, you want me to speak? Okay, I'll speak, because I clearly knew that this was a message for the entire group. It wasn't only for me. So thank you so much for allowing me to share this. Thank you.